there, welcome to VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 11 and let's see the question number 1. So the question is, create a Java program that demonstrates the usage of interfaces. We need to implement a simple interface and showcase its implementation in multiple classes. So this concept is about interfaces and abstraction. So the description is given, write a Java program with an interface that declares a method. Okay. And we need to implement the interface in two different classes, providing unique functionality for the method. Also, there is no input format and the output must be print relevant details to showcase the behavior of the implemented interface. And there is a constraint that we need to use one interface with one method, and the output must be the methods in the classes which will override the method present inside the interface. Okay. So what is an interface in Java? It is similar to the class, but it has only abstract methods. So we have seen abstraction concept in Java previously using the abstract keyword, but we can also perform the abstraction using the interfaces, and this interfaces can have only the abstract methods, whereas abstract classes can have either abstract methods, even non-abstract methods. So methods are abstract when we have abstract keyword before them, right? So now let me create a Java file. So let me name it as, so what is the question it is? Let me name it as day11.java. Okay, so I have created a Java file. Now I'll write the main method, public static void main. So now I'll create a class called, let me name it as my class. And inside, so actually we need to create interface, right? So let me name it as interface and then my interface. Okay, so now inside this I will create a method. So void method, so let the name be the method, but you have to remember that it shouldn't have any implementation part because this is going to be an abstract. So now the interface is done. So now I'm going to create two classes. So one is class 1, and this is going to implement the interface. Implement my interface. So class can extend the class, but class can implement the interface. So you have to remember that point. So implements. Okay. So now here I am going to override the method here present inside the interface, which is void method. So I have done overriding. So this is method overriding, which comes under polymorphism. And now here I am going to simply write a print statement. So this is a method in class 1. I have written a simple method. Okay. So I will create another class called class 2, which implements my interface 2. And then void method, I will again override it. I can even write @override. And now here I will write another print statement. This is method in class 2. Done. So in the main method, I will create two objects for these both classes. So first of all, class 1 object. So ob1 equals new class 1, and then class 2 ob2 equals new class 2. Here should be an equal to, and done. So using this ob1, I will call the method, which is method. And using the ob2 also, I'll call the same method. So let us see if it is running or not. So I will compile the file first, day11.java, and we are getting an error. So let us check that. So cannot reduce the visibility of inherited method from interface. Okay. So here I have to write the method as public, so that this would work. If we are removing this public, You can see what is given here, cannot reduce the visibility of the inherited method from my interface. So we have to change the method to public so that it is visible. Okay, so now let us recompile the file javac day11.java and java day11. You can see it is working fine. So this is method 1 in class 1 and this is method in class 2. So this is how we write interface which performs abstraction to hide the unnecessary details from the user. So the user won't know what is present inside the method, but there is a method which is present. And that one we are using and defining it in the class, the implementation part. It will be separate for the class 1 and it is also different for the class 2. And it is here we have done the here the polymorphism concept is used, and whenever ob1 method is called, then this implementation is working, and when ob2 method is called, then this implementation is running. So according to that we have got the outputs. So that's it for this video. Do follow the 100 days of coding challenge by VCode. Thank you for watching.